What is hydroplaning and how should you handle it? That way, you can stay safe on the road, no matter the conditions. When your tires encounter more water on the road than they can successfully move out of the way, hydroplaning occurs. Your tires are riding on this layer of water instead of gripping the road as they should be. This continues until you either get through the puddle you are driving through or your tires move away enough of the water. When your vehicle starts to hydroplane, it can be quite unexpected, but you need to be quick to react to safely steer yourself out of danger. If you panic and try to jerk the steering wheel, you may make things much worse. If you continue to accelerate or hit the brakes, you have the potential to start skidding. Now that you slowed down your acceleration, you have to get the car under control. Maintain firm control of the steering wheel and keep the car going in the direction of the road. This ensures your car will stay in your lane once you exit the hydroplane. As long as you follow these steps, the only thing left to do is to wait for the tires to start making contact with the road again, thus ending the hydroplane. There are things you can try to help reduce your chances of hydroplaning, but nothing can prevent it completely outside of staying home when it rains. The less water you drive through, the less likely you are to hydroplane in the first place. Be sure to stay a safe distance behind them in case they start to hydroplane. Drive safely whenever it rains. Thanks for watching.